Welcome to the demo of 25C Smart Operations feature. Include Work Center performance in your Production Supervisor Workbench shift reports. This feature enhances the shift report by capturing key Work Center metrics such as OEE, plan adherence, availability, quality, and performance. It also includes detailed workstation level downtime records, offering a clearer view of operational issues. Supervisors are responsible for handing off accurate and comprehensive shift data to ensure continuity. Including performance metrics in the report promotes transparency and supports ongoing improvement efforts. With access to shift level KPIs, supervisors can now make informed decisions and respond proactively. The addition of downtime data helps identify bottlenecks and prioritize corrective actions with stakeholders. In this demo, we will begin by launching production supervision task. Next, we will briefly review the metrics in a work center. We will then proceed to create a shift reports and show the enhancements made to the shift report. I am logged in as a production supervisor and am in the work execution work area of my plant. I click the production supervision task to launch the production supervisor workbench. I am in the work center monitoring tab, and here I can monitor the performance of my work center. Here I can see the context of the current shift, and at the top I can review the different KPIs pertaining to my work center. I can view the overall equipment effectiveness, availability, performance, quality, the plan adherence, the downtime, the completed quantity, and open exceptions for my work center. I can also drill down to one of the workstations to monitor the performance of the workstation and perform supervisory actions as required at the workstation. Let's now review the new enhancement to the reporting tab. In this release, we have enhanced the shift reporting capabilities. At the end of my shift or at any point of time during the shift, I can create shift reports for my work center. Click Create Reports. I can select my current shift or the previous shift to create a shift report. I have selected the current shift. Click Confirm. This automatically snapshots all the metrics into a shift report, which I can view by clicking on the eye icon. In this release, we have enhanced the shift report to record additional work center level metrics such as plan adherence, OEE, availability, performance, quality, downtime, and open exceptions for the work center. The remaining metrics such as yield, planned quantity, completed quantity, scrap quantity, and rejected quantity are work order level metrics which were introduced in a previous update. In addition, I can view the planned output quantity and the actual output quantity for process work orders. These metrics represent the planned and actual primary output quantity yielded in process work orders. The unfinished and pending work orders, completed work orders, and open exception sections were introduced in a previous update. An additional section has been introduced to display the workstation status downtime records. Here I can see the details of the workstation, the reason code, and the time and the duration of the downtime. For example, here I can see workstation 1 was down for 3 minutes due to corrective maintenance, and workstation 2 was down for 2 minutes due to material shortage, and workstation 3 has been under corrective maintenance since yesterday. I can also view the operator check-in summary, which was introduced in a previous update. I can now complete my shift report by entering the shift summary. I can either manually enter the shift summary or click on Generate Summary to use generative AI to automatically create a shift summary based on the exceptions and operator nodes that were recorded in the current shift. Once I'm satisfied, I can submit to complete my shift report. This is the end of the feature demo. Thank you.